Good morning. Just got up. Fuck, so tired. Today I'm gonna start Kepler track. It's gonna be great. Look at that. Looks cold.
Time for my food check. Breakfast food there. Dinner food. Nuts, always good. Peanuts, even better. Something healthy. And then we have like a lot of Snickers. That's an overall of 8,000 calories. I was aiming for like 12k, but it should be alright. I mean, when I get back, I can have a nice burger in town, so I'll be fine. Forest! Woohoo! I love it. Look at that. It's beautiful. It's amazing. It's really fun. Backpack is a bit heavy, but it's okay. Been walking for about 2 hours now, like some 15 kilometers. I think I'll slowly take a break. Looks like a decent picnic spot. I'm gonna have a break. Alright, there we are. Finally, starting point of Kepler track. Only took me like 15 kilometers to get there. It's like some 5 kilometers to the first hut. So it's not terrible. Actually pretty quick. It's an amazing river. Oh, it's gonna be so great. The sun's shining, amazing weather, amazing scenery. I'm excited. It's great. Hi.
Hey.
Hiya. Fuck yeah. So much moss. It's amazing. Almost there, first hut. Mochurao hut. The vegetation here is so amazing. Like, look at that. It's like really tropical, and then you have all that moss and huge trees. It's amazing. I love it. New Zealand's great. Fuck. I want to move. That's the first hut. Finally arrived. All right, Kepler track, day 2. It's freezing. Shit, the night was a bit frosty. Should have worn a little bit more. But it's all right. I slept pretty well, at least for 4 hours. I had some tuna for breakfast and now heading off. It's pretty cool. It's like around the lake here. Path is pretty easy. A lot of moss again. It's a good walk. It's a good walk. I'm excited about day 3. That's gonna be like really steep. Some people are like, "Alright, you're not afraid, you're not concerned." Nah, it's gonna be alright. Alright, gonna walk for some kilometers and then gonna have a break. I thought I would freeze when hiking, but it's actually pretty warm. Although, like, I mean, temperature is not that high, but when you walk with like that huge backpack, it's getting pretty warm. Are you actually doing the whole Kepler track, or?
Yeah, today. This is our last day.
Nice. Oh, you're doing all the way to, all the way back?
Way to Rainbow Reach today.
It's a good idea.
It's not a good idea.
It's so cute. It's a group of 36 schoolgirls hiking the Kepler track. The teacher was like, "Nah, we're blisters, no, we're cold, no, we're gonna go home." Yeah, I mean, I can see that. I was the same when I was younger. Hey. And where are we? What's that? That's a river and a bridge. Pretty great. At first I didn't quite like it, like walking through the forest all the time, but I don't know, the more and more I'm walking here, the better it is. All that moss and greenery, and it just looks so fresh. It's great. Everything's alive. I feel great. It's a great day. It's not raining. Hopefully not tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be a hard day. I just got out of the wood. Pretty good. Look at that. Hope it's not gonna rain, but it should be alright. I wonder where I gotta go tomorrow, but I think it's like up there somewhere. I don't know. We'll find out. Oh. I don't want to go back to Sydney. Fuck. Oh, it's so many people. It's so loud. Oh. Nah, whatever. We'll see. Alright, just arrived in Iris Hut. Pretty friendly owner. He was asking me if I want to just shoot through to Luxembourg Hut and like ask if there's a free bunk. Would have been fun, but I don't know. Like I want to savor that day tomorrow instead of rushing through today. Cause it's gonna be the most beautiful part, I think. Like going high up and enjoying the views. I mean, it's actually even already amazing here, so like I think it's just gonna get better tomorrow. Alright, there's the kitchen, and obviously I'm the first one to arrive. I think there's like some detour to go to some waterfall or something like that. I'm gonna check that out now, and then maybe have a snack. Yeah, it sounds about right.